Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. We recently discussed about the top 3 reasons to choose zoology as your career option in 2025 in India. If you are in India right now, अगर आप इंडिया में हो और चाहते हो कि zoology select करना है तो क्यों select करना है? 3 ऐसे options we have discussed about it. Today we are going to talk about the 3 top reasons not to choose zoology as your career option, and you should be aware of both the top 3 reasons to choose zoology and top 3 reasons not to choose zoology. The reason number 1 with the reason not to choose zoology as your career option in 2025 in India is limited high paying job opportunities. If you choose this subject as graduation and masters, and if you want to get a high paying job afterwards, you are definitely in dilemma, because that is not going to happen. Okay, because be frank with you, the thing is that in the field of life sciences, particularly in these classical subjects like zoology, right after you get out as a graduate, there are very few job opportunities, and right after even postgraduate there are few job opportunities. Even in the job opportunities, you will be offered with a lower than industry standard salary. The salary will be somewhere between 20,000 rupees to 15,000 or 25,000 rupees a month, which is far less compared to the others that they're offering from a different fields. So core zoology jobs in India often have very low salary. Core zoology job means exactly from your field. For example, wildlife conservation strategies, forestry and research, and there is but in the wildlife conservation part, if you get into the forest services, okay, and also get into a part of the wildlife warden and related to that assistant positions, those are high paying jobs. Those are highly stable jobs, but there is highly competition because the seat limits are out there. Very few seats are there from the point of view of wildlife conservation strategist and as a forestry in research. Very few. So in that case, even if you get into those, that will be competitive to do, but the salary is good in this occasion. Okay, and there are many positions in research institutes and academia that requires PhD. So only doing graduation in zoology will not help. You need to do graduation for like in NEP 4 years, then the masters 2 years, then do the PhD. After PhD, there is a chance to do that, and even by that time there will be competition with the PhD. So that's reason number 1. Now reason number 2, not to choose zoology as a career option. If you are a very keen interested person to work with animals, to work with birds, mammals, reptiles and all this, and if you want to do the field work means wildlife biology part, ecology, field research work, then obviously you need to go through very harsh conditions, harsh climatic conditions, environment that you need to survive, and there are very people nowadays willing to take that risk and live in those harsh environments to protect the environment. Although they talk about environment all the time, write about it all the time, read about it all the time, but when it comes down to getting into a swamp at the 40 degrees Celsius temperature, they are not ready to do that. And if you are not that kind of a person, then you can try. Otherwise, if you are that kind of a person who cannot stay in that position for a long time, you can't do the field work, you can't be apart from the exact wildlife researcher, wildlife field expert, and also you need to work in the remote forests, remote places in the earth, and that is one thing. And there is also risk of animal attacks, infections, insect bites and all these things. Zoology graduates are aiming to corporate or urban based jobs. They prefer those corporate and urban based jobs over these jobs, and I know people who shifted from their subject into the urban and corporate jobs just to get rid of all this trouble. Now the third reason not to choose zoology as a career option in 2025 in India is that slow career growth and limited private sector scope. Obviously, the biotech and pharma sector's growth comparatively is higher than direct zoology based growth, and there are private sector for zoology graduates very limited. Can you name, if you ask a life science graduate from any discipline that name 2-3 companies, name one that works with zoology graduates, particularly in the field of zoology, you can't name one, because this is not in demand, this is not in that public demand, this is not in that, the private sector has not developed that much. So environmental consultant, bioinformatics and biotech related jobs are still there, but unlike biotech or pharma, the private sector jobs for zoology graduates are limited. That is one big deal. Now, if you come down to the career option in academia, career option in academia and research is slow. Means in that case, you need to devote a lot of time. You need to devote your life for the PhD, which does not take only 5 years. In India, it generally takes 6, 7, 8 years to do PhD, and then you need to get into the postdoctoral studies, and once you get out of India, you kind of feel not returning back to India because of this slow growing sector. And the third is the funding of independent zoological research. Independent research in India is a jumla. It's not possible because the way people fund the IT, the way even the government is funding the IT cells in IITs and all these places, the research being funded, they are giving grants and all. I'm not saying that in biological science there is no grant. Obviously there is a biological incubation program is out there. Bioincubators are being in place. But the product that they are getting out, can you name 5 products that got out of this bioincubation program in India? No, actually they are wasting taxpayers' money in most of the cases because they invest, they provide grants to unnecessary startups, unnecessary products trying to find problem for its solution, right? So it's not going to happen. So that's why there is also slow growth in this position. And in India, we don't have direct research only position as a job. Now in India, the people doing research is either as a JRF or as a research trainee or associate. There is no particular research job for life. We need to create that in order to make it more lucrative. So these are the 3 major reasons not to choose zoology as your career option in 2025 in India. अगर आप चूज नहीं कर रहे हो तो यही 3 कारण होगा. 3 कारण को सम अप में कर देता हूँ. एक तो ये लिमिटेड हाई पेइंग जॉब, ज्यादा पैसा नहीं मिलेगा. सेकंड थिंग, फील्ड वर्क में जाएंगे तो चैलेंजेस हैं, हार्श वर्किंग कंडीशन से डील करना पड़ेगा. थर्ड, करियर ग्रोथ जो है स्लो है और एकेडेमिया में खास करके बहुत स्लो करियर ग्रोथ, बहुत टाइम लगेगा एस्टैब्लिश होने में, फिर पैसे कमाने में. और प्राइवेट सेक्टर की ग्रोथ तो बहुत ही लिमिटेड है एंड देयर इज नो प्रॉपर यूनिडायरेक्शनल सिंगल रिसर्च बेस्ड पोजीशंस. सो दैट माइट टिक यू ऑफ of choosing zoology as your career option. But don't right now, don't decide right yet, because I've already made a video on the top 3 reasons to choose zoology as a career option in India, and you must watch that video too. Do not take a decision based on watching one part of the video, because this video has 2 parts. One is the reason to choose, one is the reason not to choose. Watch both the videos and you'll be very clear what do you want. You want money over the service to the society, or you want the service, you want the field job over anything. There are different people with the different mindset, and based on that they will decide and they will choose. Okay, all the very best for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and colleagues, subscribe to get more videos like that in future, and also mention, do you think these reasons are valid, and what do you think about the reasons, and what could be the other reasons as well. Okay, thank you.